everybody, welcome back to Meals with Marcia. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you. It is called chickpea salad. I'm excited to show you this, so let's get started. Through the week I like to eat things that are already made up, that are mixed up, that I can just put in a bowl and take to work. My husband and I are not eating a lot of gluten. We're trying to eat higher protein, more fresh vegetables. We eat a lot of eggs through the week, at breakfast and stuff like that. So we're just trying to do better and not eat as much gluten and things like that. So this is a good way to get your veggies in, and it's going to have a lot of flavor. So anyway, here we go. Now, I'm going to be halving this recipe today because the original recipe is big and it's just me, and I'm going to eat on this week. I don't know that my husband will eat this because he's not a big salad type person. He wants meat and potatoes. He likes rice, okay, too, and vegetables, but he just doesn't like cold salads, but I do. I love them. They're great to take to work, to cart around. So anyway, here we go. I'm going to have to look at my recipe. I've written it down right here because this is a fairly new recipe. I'm going to go ahead and make the dressing first. Now, we need a half a cup of olive oil. I've just got the olive oil from Aldi, pure olive oil. And I'm going to be making the dressing as if it was the full recipe, because I'm just not sure if it's going to be enough. I'm not going to use it all, but I'm not sure if it'll be enough, because I don't like a dry salad. Now, it calls for white wine vinegar, but I just have rice wine vinegar, so we're going to go with it today. Just don't have any white wine vinegar, so hopefully it'll be fine. All right, we're going to mix that together. And then we need, let's see here, 1 tablespoon of parsley leaves. And I just got the dried parsley. If you have fresh, that'll be good. Just don't have it today. Okay. All right. And then it calls for 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Now, you can omit this if you don't like spicy, but I do like spicy. I used to never like spicy. But after I had COVID, buddy, I want spice. I love it. I love jalapenos and all those things. So let's put that in there. And I got to thinking about this salad. You could probably use like zesty Italian dressing. That would be a good salad dressing to put in it. But I just want to make this because it's good. It's real refreshing. All right, then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And I'm going to put a few dashes of garlic because I love garlic powder. And I'm going to do some salt and pepper to taste. Not very much salt because we got some salt going on with the other stuff. A couple of dashes of that, maybe 1/4 teaspoon of garlic. And I want to do a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And I'm probably going to do half that of salt. All right, let me whisk this together. That looks delicious. Smells good too. That lemon smells delicious in that. Wow. Okay, set that aside. Now I've got to get a bowl. Didn't even get a bowl to mix my stuff in here. And I'm going to be using 1 can. It's a 15.5 ounce can of chickpeas, or garbanzo beans is what they call them. Just got the Walmart brand. Now I want to talk to you about that. They have 20 grams of carbs, but 4 grams of fiber. So you subtract the fiber out, so these are 16 net carbs, so that's pretty low carb. Plus there's 9 grams of protein in a half a cup serving of this, so it's pretty high protein. So I've just rinsed these chickpeas and drained them and let them sit there, so I'm going to put those in. And then I'm going to do feta cheese. I want to do 1/4 cup of feta. This is crumbled feta. I'm going to use the rest of that. Just right out 1/4 cup. And like I said, I am halving this recipe, so you can do the full recipe if you want. Then I did a half of an English cucumber. I just cut it into little quarter moons. I did a half a cup of the little cherry tomatoes, and I quartered them. A half of an orange bell pepper, 1/4 cup of catamata olives, and 1/4 of a purple onion. And I just chopped all those small. So I'm going to put those in. As you can see, this looks so refreshing. And I'm going to put part of the dressing on there. I don't know if it's going to need all of it because, like I said, I doubled the recipe on, I did the whole recipe on the dressing. So let me see here. what this is going to do. Ooh, the color is beautiful in this. I don't think I'm gonna need all that dressing, to be honest. I think that's enough. Of course, I can put that up and, well, that one cucumber didn't get chopped up good. I'm gonna set that aside because it's awful thick. I'll cut it again and put it back in there later. And I think the longer we let this marinate, guys, the better it's gonna be. Actually, I know it, but I am gonna try it for you today. But this is such a beautiful, beautiful dish. Look at that. So nice and refreshing, and this will keep in the refrigerator for a week. So you can make it like on Saturday and you can eat on it, or you can take it to work. Let me get me a big scoop of that. Oh, wow. That is utterly delicious. I love the texture of those chickpeas in there. There's a lot of good stuff going on in this, guys. There's a lot of nutrients in there, and you're going to get a lot of protein from those chickpeas. That's going to give you some energy, and that's going to sustain you. Plus, you're getting in your vegetables. This is delicious. This would be a great side dish. Like, I'll be honest with you, you could probably get some grilled chicken and chop it up and add it into that and do like grilled chicken. Oh my gosh, I bet that would be amazing. Just do you some grilled chicken on the side and have this. Great, great, great salad. Guys, I hope you try this. And if you do, and you like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Meals with Marsha. And don't forget that everything you need and how to make this is going to be in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.